Good job.
Oh, I was just going to videotape you doing your exercises.
All right, let's go back and try it again. Okay, here we go. Okay, ready?
What?
Legs in the air.
Crazy.
Good. Okay. Now we put one leg over the other. And then we go like this. And move to one side. That's right. Okay. And then we cross them back over the other way. And we move the other way. Good job. Okay, now we can do our arm exercises. Our arms in the air. Yes. Good job. Our exercises, in the bridge. After the bridge. Yeah, she does the bridge.
Oh, good job, Addie.
Oh, yes. Okay. Thank you. Well done.